In this demonstration video, we are going to introduce the pipeline integration. As we know, there are many continuous integration and continuous delivery tools in the market, such as Jenkins, and you may already have implemented your own CI and CD process with different tools. In that case, you still could integrate IDA pipeline with your existing process by REST API. As we could see, there are 3 REST APIs listed here in the doc. The first one, trigger pipeline build by ID. The second one, trigger it by name. And the last one, get build status. Let's go through all 3 APIs one by one. The first one, trigger pipeline build by ID. There are 4 parameters for the API. The first one, pipeline ID. It's required. You could get the pipeline ID from the URL path of pipeline dashboard page. Let's find it. Here. Now you found it, the ID. The second one, user token. It's also required. You could get the token from user profile page. Here, easy to find. Token. Alright, next one, snapshot acronym. It's optional. If the snapshot acronym name is set here, pipeline build will bypass the snapshot step, and the test, check style, deployment steps will use this snapshot. The last one, TWX file name, it's also optional. It is the BPM installation package file name of process app, and which is only required when an offline deployment step is added in the pipeline. And you could see a curl example to invoke the API. And in the response, we have the build ID, pipeline ID, and the status. Now let's look at next one, trigger pipeline build by name. It's similar as the above one, except one parameter. Here, the pipeline name, not pipeline ID. Okay, and now let's take a look at the last one, get build status. There's one parameter, build ID, and it's required. You could get build ID from the response of pipeline build API. And in the response, it contains report URL, build ID, and status. Talking about status, there are 3 build status listed here, running, failed, and success. However, you may get other exceptional status, such as unauthorized, pipeline not found, build not found. We all listed them here. That's all for the pipeline integration description. Please use the curl examples to have a try after demo and find our API doc link in the video description section. Thank you for your time.